Hello and welcome back to another video here today. Today this is TravisPlays. I'll be bringing to you a new video on which we'll be doing things to customize our computer. Okay, so today using some fancy apps so you can install them from the internet. Using these apps, we can make this. It's pretty cool, right? This is an interactive page, so we can use these to access our stuff, like for example downloads. You can see it goes to my download pages, music, and it goes to my music folder. And this is all really simple and easy. And then we can hide them all away again. So let's start off on this journey to make this possible on our computers. So you may be wondering, how do I get from this to what I had before? So what we're going to be using is an application called Rainmeter. We are going to go open the document containing the links and the first link. So first of all, we're going to open the main link. All these links will be in the description down below if you'd like to do this on your computer. So the first link leads you to this website called Rainmeter, which is, as you can probably guess, where the widgets and all that come from. And so what you want to do is you want to go to the beta download, or if you want a bit more of a stable one but slightly older, you can go on the final release. I prefer beta as it's mostly done anyhow, so just a few things changed to be better. So we're going to download Rainmeter. Okay, so now because Rainmeter's finished installing or downloading, we can install it. There you go. We want the standard installation, and you want to have launch Rainmeter on startup enabled. You want to install. There you go. And now we have Rainmeter. And because Rainmeter needs to come with something, otherwise it's just useless, we have this here, our welcome page, information about the disk, the CPU, RAM, and swap, and then a date and time. So we can unload all of these by right-clicking on them and clicking unload skin, as we do not need them at this moment in time. The next link we'll be going to is a link on DeviantArt, which is getting the Shield OS skin. And it looks like this once you have everything on it, but you'd then want to download this link. Just a sec while I log in. Okay, so now we are logged in. We can see that we have the skin here, so we are going to go and download it. The end of it is RM skin, so that's Rainmeter skin, and the logo is a bit of rain. Yep, once you click on it, this should appear. Rainmeter skin installer, and the skins are in Avengers-tweaked. So you want to install, and then what I'll do is you want to go to your desktop. I like hiding these as it looks a bit cleaner. You go into your actions menu, wherever that is, and you click on Rainmeter. Next, what you do is you select ones you want to have. So I personally like to have the border in there. I like to have the date. And all draggable as well, so you can put them to a position you want. Except for this border, that's not draggable. I go to the shield tag. This lets you hide and show them. I go to shutdown. This one effectively controls your computer's settings. I'll then go into time and into 24-hour one, and then I'll put it over here. There's the volume 1 too, but if you try and click around for stuff, I've ended up nearly breaking my headphones and deafening myself with this, so caution. But now what you do is, because you've got the skins loaded, there are more skins in here. I just like these ones. I like to save as a layout, so it is there. But before you do that, what you want to do is you want to go into Documents or File Explorer, Documents, go into Rainmeter, into Skins, Avengers Tweaked, and down below here is Shield BG in a PNG file. What you want to do is you want to double click on that to open it, and once you've opened it, you can see it's nice, good Shield wallpaper. You're going to set as the background. Now it's starting to look a bit more like as if it's a Shield computer. Next I'll do is I'll hide this so I can view taskbar, and I like to put everything into the action menu, and then I want to hide everything over here. Next, what you can do is you want to unpin everything, as it's not very good stuff are pinned because you just can't gain access to them. Now what we want to do is there's another link. This is a bit more if you want to make lock screen look a bit more like a Shield lock screen. So you'd go to this link, Shield profile picture, which will open up over here, the Shield framework logo, which you want to save image as. I go into my documents, Rainmeter, skins, Avengers tweaked, and I put Shield_profile, save it as that. Next I do is I go to settings, and I go to accounts. Once I've gone to accounts, you'd like to go to browse for one under create your picture. You want to go to documents and to the location where you saved your Shield profile picture. And now it looks like your profile picture is the Shield logo. There you go. And this is a lock screen. You won't be able to find this one on the web by searching for it, because I had to custom make this one. But you can save the image into the same area. If you open it in pictures, go to the menu, go to set as, and set it to lock screen. Now your computer is fully like a Shield computer. A word of warning, if you have a Mac machine, this will not work. Let me make myself clear, will not work. At the moment there's no Rainmeter for Mac, so if you try and do it you'd have to use something that can run an exe, which I don't believe Mac has. I don't know, I don't own a Mac, so I will never know. But that is it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like and comment down below. And if you'd like to see any more themed Rainmeter desktop or desktop widgets, videos, or anything else, and please do let me know. Thank you, have a good day.